Hey everybody, it's Cynthia from Criticizing Everything. Today we're going to be doing an audio sound test on a few different types of microphones. We have the Lavalier microphone, which is the one that I'm wearing right now. We're going to be using a shotgun omnidirectional microphone, which is the type of microphone that you use when you mount it onto the top of your camera or video equipment. And we're also going to be reviewing the built-in mic that is on my Canon Rebel T5i. The first one that we're reviewing is the Lavalier microphone. This is a Audio Technica ATR3350. As you can see, this is where the battery port is. You can keep that in your pocket. You can tuck this under your shirt. I put it out so that you could see the length of the cord. Also, this cord is reaching about 8 to 10 feet away from me as well. So it has a good length. And this is also what we recorded the intro using. And of course what we recorded this little segment using. There you go. Now we are doing the recording with a TakStar SGC-598 omnidirectional shotgun mic. Again, I'm standing about 8 to 10 feet away, just using my regular voice. I also wanted to comment, although I'm sure you know, this is all happening outside. So you'll be able to hear if there is some wind noise as well. You can see the umbrella moving slightly. It's not really that windy though. And lastly, we are using the onboard built-in mic that is on the recording device, which we're using is the Canon Rebel T5i. And again, 8 to 10 feet away, outside, and using my regular voice without trying to be any louder than just a regular conversation. Alright, we are back. This time we will be doing our audio testing indoors. I am probably a little bit less than 5 feet away from the camera. Again, this is the Audio Technica mic, Lavalier mic that I'm wearing. And this is the sound check. Alright, and here we are with the omnidirectional shotgun mic. Again, placed just on top of the recording device. And this is the sound check for that one. And lastly, here we are on the indoor test for the Canon Rebel T5i. And this is the sound check for that one. And just to let you know, again, about a little less than 5 feet away, and just using a regular, normal talking voice. Good luck in all your filming.